How to share itinerary on Expedia app. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we'll discuss on how to share your itinerary on the Expedia app. So if you're having trouble sharing your itinerary, don't worry, this video will guide you through the process with some easy steps. So first of all, you have to open the Expedia application on your mobile device and then click on the trip section at the bottom of the screen and then select the itinerary you want to share. Tap on the share icon next to your itinerary and choose your preferred sharing method such as email, SMS, or other messaging apps. Your itinerary will be shared with your selected contacts and will include important details like confirmation code, airline flight number, travel dates and times, and additional information. The Expedia app makes it easy to manage your entire trip in one place. You can also view your hotel address, cancellation details, and more. The app also offers useful features like airport maps, flight status updates, and one touch access to the customer service. Additionally, you can also create a new trip, name it, and invite others to join you. So this was all about it. This is exactly how you can share the itinerary on Expedia application. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.